Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a little review on how to write a paragraph. Now, when we all left each other back on March 9th, we had just finished our second week of how to properly write a paragraph. And Miss Mackey and I were talking and we thought about this distant learning thing and what's the biggest bang for our buck? What do you guys need the most? And I think your parents would agree that one thing that we really want to make sure that you can do when you leave fourth grade is that you can write a proper paragraph with the proper punctuation, proper capitalization, and that you understand what a paragraph should look like. So we've decided that we're going to make our goal for you guys really focusing on paragraph writing, and then on top of paragraphs, implementing a lot of mini lessons on things like nouns, adjectives, verbs. So bringing a lot of grammar into it, but always kind of coming back to this basic paragraph. So I made a little chart for you. Good thing I brought chart paper home with me. Jeez. And I want you to notice I wrote a paragraph about writing a paragraph. So it says the first thing you need to do is indent. And you guys know this. This shows two fingers. You should start your first word about two fingers in. So it should look like this. And you'll notice all the other words in the paragraph come all the way over to the other side of the paper. But your first line should start about two fingers in. And that's called indenting. So the first thing you want to do is indent. You also need to make sure that you are starting each sentence with a capital letter. A capital T is here. I have a capital U. I have a capital R and a capital A. Your sentences need to start with a capital letter. And there should not be other capital letters in your sentence unless you are talking about a proper noun. It also says remember to use proper punctuation. We are going to focus on period, exclamation point, and question mark. We're not even going to get into dialogue yet, but your sentence should end with either a period or an exclamation point or a question mark. And finally, remember that a paragraph has 4 sentences or more. A paragraph is not one sentence. It is not 2 sentences. It is not 3 sentences. It is 4 or more. So, for today's lesson, I want you to practice writing a paragraph. You are going to tell me about your favorite thing to do at home during quarantine. You are going to write a paragraph, and I want you to follow these rules, these 4 main rules, and write a paragraph either typing it in, or if you're more comfortable using your computer or using your notebook that we sent home, you can write it out, screenshot it, and attach it. Happy writing!